Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see your mentions on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my TikTok application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to mention my second account on TikTok. For example guys, I'm going to mention my second account on this post. So I'm going to go to the command section and I'm going to mention my second account. Okay, this is my second account and I'm going to mention it like this, and I'm going to send this command to this post. Okay, and then I'm going to mention my second account on my post as well. Okay, I'm going to mention it right here. Okay, and then I'm going to open up my second account. Wait, I'm going to switch my account. Okay, and usually we'll get the mention on the notification on TikTok. I mean the inbox. Okay, and then the mention will appear right here. As you can see, my first account mentioned me in a comment, and you will be able to see it right here. But you can also see your mention history on your TikTok. If you want to get the mention history, you can go to the TikTok setting. You can click on the three dots on the top right. Wait, I mean the three lines, guys. And then we can go to the settings and privacy, and then go to the activity center. And here you will have some options, and since we want to view the mention history, we can click on mention history. Okay, and these are the mentions on my TikTok. You will be able to view it right here. My first account mentioned my second account in a comment, and then I have been mentioned as well in a video, and you will be able to see the timeline of the mention right here. You just need to go to your setting and then open up the activity center, then go to the mention history. Okay guys, and that's all the way to see mentions on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.